Twitch, 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 twitch. Have you ever gone through episodes in your life where your eyelid just starts twitching for minutes at a time and it'll last for days or weeks or months? This is called a myokymia, an eyelid myokymia. It's also called a facial myokymia. Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Vernon, and this channel is all about eyeballs. An eyelid myokymia, a facial myokymia, should not be confused with a blepharospasm. A blepharospasm is when the muscles that surround your eyelids just clench and squeeze and you can't control it, and that condition is a relatively rare condition. An eyelid myokymia is a relatively common condition. I myself have had multiple times in my life a myokymia, and it happens when the little nerve that connects to the eyelid muscle starts to misfire. What causes it? The most common reason for a facial myokymia is no reason at all. It happens completely randomly and there's nothing that you did that brought it on. It can also be related possibly to fatigue and stress. It can be also related to the consumption of caffeine. So if you're tired or if you're under stress, if you can, try to get better rest, try to turn the stress off in your life. If you're consuming a lot of caffeine, a lot of sodas, a lot of coffee, try to reduce that consumption of those drinks. I have heard other doctors talk about affecting the frequency, the intensity of the myokymia by gazing up to try to turn it off, or hot compresses or cold compresses. I've never had these activities work in my clinic. I've never heard them actually working. What can you do? The best thing that you can do, in fact, the only thing that you can do, is ride it out. Eventually, it's going to go away all on its own. It may take a few weeks, it may take a month, it may even take longer than a month, but eventually that eyelid twitching is going to turn itself right off all by itself, and you can go on your happy, merry little way without that annoying little twitchy eyelid telling you that it's right there barking at you. Don't worry, it'll go away.